Good morning, everyone. So, I'm back to talk about walls that speak, the power of bulletin boards in school, bringing learning, expression, and values to life at Scholars Global School. Walk through the vibrant corridors of Scholars Global School, and you will find the walls speaking through colors, creativity, and ideas. The bulletin board here are not just displays, they are storytellers, teachers, and mirrors of learning. Each board captures the imagination of students and reflects the school's belief that education extends far beyond the books and classrooms. At Scholars, bulletin boards serve as creative learning spaces that inspire curiosity and participation. They blend art and academics, encouraging students to learn visually and express meaningfully. The boards come alive with themes that celebrate festivals, national days, social causes, global awareness, transforming hallways into dynamic learning zones that echo enthusiasm and school spirit. So every month brings a new theme that ties together learning and life skills. Some of the themes we celebrate across the academic year include new beginnings in April, welcoming students with positive affirmation and Earth Day awareness. In June, we go green, encouraging sustainable practices and love for nature. And of course, with August comes the freedom and responsibility, reflecting patriotic spirit and civic sense. October, joy of giving, and Diwali of values inspiring, sharing, empathy, and compassion. In December, season of hope, spreading messages of peace, unity, and optimism. Each theme becomes a celebration of thought and creativity, where students actively contribute ideas, illustrations, and reflections. The bulletin boards at Scholars vary across the wings to cater to developmental stages and interest. In the pre-primary wing, the boards are colorful, interactive, and full of visuals, talking about good manners, helping habits, social skills, and joyful imagery and short stories. In primary wing, the focus shifts to curiosity and explanation. Boards on healthy habits, my country, my pride, and values that we stand by. In middle and senior wing feature thought-provoking and research-based displays on topics like women who change the world, power of positive thinking, mental health is the most important health, and our constitution, our pride, to name few. And at Scholars, value education is at the heart of every display boards carrying inspiring quotes, moral stories, value of the month, reflections, instilling essential virtues such as honesty, respect, empathy, and resilience. The Thought for the Day boards in classrooms further strengthen this daily connection with values, helping children internalize lessons that shape character and compassion. Beyond academics, bulletin boards at Scholars also celebrate achievements, inter-house competitions, events like Katha Yatra or Joy of Giving Week. This display builds sense of pride and belonging, creating a warm and inclusive atmosphere where every child feels seen and appreciated. In essence, bulletin boards at Scholars are more than a decor, they are living reflections of creativity, collaboration, and character building. They make learning visible, values meaningful, and the school environment truly alive with ideas. Please do like, share, and comment on my video, and I will be sharing a storytelling yatra in our school about the Katha Yatra in my next one, which is coming very shortly. So thank